What's the meaning of ASEAN? ASEAN. ASEAN.
ASEAN. ASEAN. ASEAN stands for the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, which is a political and economic organization consisting of 10 member countries, including Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. ASEAN aims to promote regional growth and stability through economic cooperation, cultural exchanges, and mutual assistance among its member states. Since its establishment in 1967, ASEAN has achieved significant progress in various areas, such as free trade agreements, poverty reduction, disaster management, and human rights. ASEAN serves as a crucial platform for promoting peace, prosperity, and sustainable development in Southeast Asia.